Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, and I got a package in the mail. I forgot my tripod. I don't have it with me, so I'm going to have to rip this open and we'll be back in a second here, unless I can find a way to prop the camera, but I don't think so. This is cool. I wasn't expecting that to arrive today. This is LED RGB puck lights. 60 lumens each, 80 CRI, I'm not sure what that is. With remote control. It's a 6-pack of puck lights. How cool is that? Oh, this is going to be exciting. I hope these work out well. Oops, I just got an email. Obviously these are stick-on pads. Come with it. Color changing RGB puck lights. It's funny. Even they have color in the instructions. The remote control is in color. So we have 2 remotes. Is that 2 remotes? Look at that. Let me see. Pull a couple. I'm going to have to pull it with both hands here. Just a minute. So there we have 6 LED puck lights with 2 remote controls. How cool is that? 2 remote controls. And we need 3 AAA batteries each. So I'm going to have to go out to my electronics lab and bring in some batteries, let them warm up and get them on the charger. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's some extra pads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pads. So that's probably your stick-on pads. And that's where they go. Alright, I'm going to open one of these up. So to open is a little simple twist and pull. So I'm going to go out and get a bunch of AAAs, and we'll see how this works. I'm guessing the on-off is a push. It's a very soft push. I'm pretty sure that's on-off. But they also got the remote, so this will be exciting and interesting to see how this works out. Well, I got one battery's in one of them. And I got the protective tab out of the remote. More needs to be in shadow. There we go. There's off, on, and then I can change, let me see, put on flash. We can put it on strobe. It changes colors as it flashes. Put it on fade, which is smoother. Probably easier for the camera to keep up with. We'll hit red. We'll hit green. We'll try purple. Well, that's blue. Okay, I'm in my own shade pink. Look at that, yellow. So all that works. And then I don't know what this. Oh, there's a dimmer. Is it? Let me hit white. Let's see. Is that a dimmer? I don't know what that is. We'll have to read the instructions on that. But pretty cool. I can't imagine what a bunch of these are going to look like in the house. It's bright enough. I mean, it's not going to light up your house, but it's made more for effect, I think, than anything. I like the fade. Slow color changing. Well, I've got some batteries in here, and I'm going to charge them up, and we'll see what it looks like with a bunch of these going on. So, be back in a little while. Alright guys, I've got batteries in 3 of my puck lights. And, well, I didn't have that many batteries around. Now, these are rechargeables, and they're a little bit too long. I couldn't get the back on, but I wanted to do a demonstration and check them out anyway. The normal standard batteries that I have worked fine, but my rechargeables are a little too long. I don't blame the device, I blame my batteries, because they're just too long. They're non-standard. I don't know what brand they are. Energizer brand. But they do work. Now you can turn on the light with a push, any of them, and they'll come on in white. But with remote control, you can turn them all on or off, and they all react together. I tried putting one over here, for example, and turning it on, but they all react together. So I was curious about that. It's all or nothing. So I can, for example, hit G. Oops, helps turn it on. And then hit G, and then they're all green. Alright, and we can go through the functions here. That one didn't react right away, probably because I had my hand away. But there's a flash, I can't see with my hand down there. Strobe, click the strobe. And then there's fade. Now they all start the same and then they start to get at different speeds. But I like the way they all react like that. It's pretty cool. If you get it fading and you got different colors going on, it'll be really pretty. My camera can't focus with that. And then there's the smooth fading. Come on, camera. Alright. There we go. It really loses focus when I do that. So there you have it, guys. Turn them all off, all on. Set any color you want. Set whatever functions. Really cool. I like to fade myself. Well, alright, Melanie and I are going to be playing around with these. I'm going to get some batteries in the other ones. We have 6 of them total, which is pretty cool. Let me shut off the light and see what it looks like. Well, there they are in the dark. It's pretty neat. All off. Of course, my camera amplifies the darkness somehow. All on. Set a color. What was that? Let's go red. What, yellow. Somewhere in the blue. There's a green blue. And back to strobe. Pretty cool. Alright, well, we're gonna play around with these and get back to you with a full test and a full demonstration review later on. Once I get all 6 of them going. Talk to you all later. Thanks for watching. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. And check the video description and the comments to go ahead and buy these yourself right away if you want.